Hello, everyone. If you're on the hunt for the best DJI drones for this year, you've come to the right place. We've carefully researched and compiled the ultimate list of the best DJI drone options, taking into account pricing, performance, and various use cases. Stay tuned to find the perfect DJI drone that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first one on our list is the DJI Mini 3 lightweight 4K HDR camera drone, 38-minute flight time, true vertical shooting, intelligent modes, beginner-friendly mini drone, stunning 4K HDR video and 12MP photos, capture ultra-clear footage day or night, lightweight under 249G, no registration required in many regions. Perfect for travel. Up to 38 minutes of flight time, extended battery for long shooting sessions, true vertical shooting, ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and social content, level 5 wind resistance, stable and reliable performance even in strong winds, intelligent flight features, quick shots, auto takeoff, return to home, and beginner-friendly controls. Wide-angle camera with 3-axis gimbal, smooth, cinematic shots every time. GPS precision, hovering, stable performance for easier capture. The DJI Mini 3 is an ultra-light, easy-to-use camera drone designed for travelers, content creators, and beginners seeking stunning aerial footage without the complications of larger drones. Powered by an advanced battery system, the DJI Mini 3 delivers up to 38 minutes of flight time, letting you shoot more and charge less. Intelligent features including quick shots, auto takeoff, return to home, and built-in safety systems make it easy for beginners while giving pros the tools they need to create cinematic content. With level 5 wind resistance, a 3-axis gimbal, and smooth GPS hovering, your shots stay stable even in challenging conditions. Whether you're exploring new destinations, capturing family moments, or boosting your content creation, the DJI Mini 3 delivers exceptional performance in a compact form. The second one on our list is the DJI Air 3, dual-camera 4K per 60 frames per second drone with 46-minute flight time, 1/1.3 wide plus 3x medium telecameras, for HD transmission, omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Dual camera system, 1/1.3 wide angle plus 1/1.33x medium telecamera for flexible cinematic shooting, stunning 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video, smooth, detailed footage with excellent dynamic range. 46 minutes max flight time, efficient battery for longer aerial sessions, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 360 degrees protection for safer flights. Next Gen 04 transmission, 20 km max range with ultra-stable video feed. Focus track and smart modes, features like Active Track 5.0, Master Shots, Quick Shots, Night Mode, advanced RTH, intelligent route planning to avoid obstacles on the way back, level 7 wind resistance, stable, reliable flight even in tough conditions. The DJI Air 3 is a powerful, versatile foldable drone designed for creators who need premium image quality, long flight time, and intelligent safety features in a portable package. With its advanced dual camera system, the Air 3 offers a 1/1.3 wide-angle camera for landscapes and a 3x medium telecamera for cinematic compression, portrait shots, and dynamic perspectives, giving you the freedom to capture any scene with unmatched flexibility. Record breathtaking visuals in 4K per 60 frames per second HDR, delivering rich details and beautiful colors straight out of the camera. The Air 3 supports vertical shooting, making it ideal for social content on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Whether you're a travel filmmaker, aerial photographer, or professional content creator, the DJI Air 3 delivers the ideal balance of power, portability, and intelligent shooting modes, making it one of the most capable drones in the DJI lineup. Opus 5.0, automatic path planning for smooth avoidance and safer flight routes. The third one on our list is the DJI Air 3S, dual-camera 4K per 60 frames per second HDR drone, 50MP 1-inch plus 48MP 3x tele-lens, 45 to 46-minute flight, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 20 km 04 transmission. Dual camera system, 1 sensor wide-angle plus 70mm 3x medium telephoto for versatile cinematic framing. High quality video and photos, 4K up to 60 frames per second HDR and up to 4K per 120 frames per second, 50MP plus 48MP photos, 14-stop dynamic range, 10-bit color. Long flight time up to 45 or 46 minutes per battery, ideal for extended shooting sessions. Sturdy and portable design, foldable drone weighing 724g, easy to carry for travel and location shoots, safe and smart fly, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, vision, infrared, LiDAR, night capable obstacle avoidance, and smart return to home for safer flights, strong signal and transmission 04 HD video transmission up to 20 km for stable, long-range control. Creative modes and flexibility free panorama, focus track / active track 360 degrees, vertical shooting, multiple flight / video modes for creative. Shots of the DJI Air 3S is a versatile, professional-grade drone designed for aerial photographers, filmmakers, travel content creators, and enthusiasts who demand premium image quality and flexibility. At its core is a dual-camera setup. A large one-sensor wide-angle camera almost equals 50 MP for sweeping landscapes and cinematic 24 mm equivalent shots, plus a 70mm medium telephoto camera with 3 times optical zoom, perfect for portraits, compressed perspective, or subject-focused shots. Both cameras offer stunning visuals, up to 4K per 60 frames per second HDR video, even 4K per 120 frames per second for slow-motion cinematic footage, and still photos with up to 14 stops of dynamic range. The 10-bit color depth retains rich color and detail, making the Air 3S suitable for professional post-production workflows. The 4th on our list is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, triple-camera flagship drone, 100 MP Hasselblad plus dual telelenses, 6K per 60 frames per second HDR, 51-minute flight, 360 degrees infinity gimbal, nightscape obstacle sensing. Triple camera system, 100 MP Hasselblad wide angle plus 48 MP medium telephoto plus 50 MP telephoto, covers wide landscapes to long range shots. High quality video and photos, 6K per 60 frames per second HDR video, 4K per 60 frames per second HDR telelenses, and high-res 100 MP stills, ideal for cinematic footage. 360 degree infinity gimbal with upward tilt allows for full range rotation and up to 70 degrees upward shooting, great for dynamic, creative angles and vertical clip capturing. Long flight time up to 51 minutes on a full battery, among the best in its class. Advanced transmission uses 04 plus video transmission system for long range, stable 10-bit HDR video transmission up to 30 km under ideal conditions. Omnidirectional and night-capable obstacle avoidance, 0.1 lux nightscape sensors plus forward-facing LiDAR ensure safe flights even in low light or complex environments. A flexible shooting modes, raw stacking, multi-frame, panorama, subject focus / tracking, active track 360, vertical shooting, great for professional photography, filmmaking, or social content. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a flagship class consumer drone designed for serious creators, photographers, filmmakers, travel content producers, real estate videographers, and anyone who demands professional-grade aerial imaging. Mavic 4 Pro blends power, flexibility, portability, and creative control, offering flagship-level imaging and flight performance in a foldable drone. It's not just for hobbyists, but for creators who want professional-level quality without stepping up to heavy cinema drones. The 5th on our list is the DJI Mini 4 Pro, 4K/60 FPS HDR foldable drone, 48 MP 1/1.3 CMOS, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, 34 to 45 minute flight, OcuSync 4 transmission, true vertical shooting. High-quality video and photos, 4K/60 FPS HDR video, 4K/100 FPS slow motion, and 48 MP stills from a 1/1.3 CMOS sensor with large pixels for good low-light performance. Compact and lightweight, less than 249 g, easy to carry, travel-ready, and often exempt from drone registration requirements. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, first in the mini series to include all direction sensing vision sensors plus depth/infrared for safer flights even in complex environments. Extended flight time up to 34 minutes on standard battery, or up to 45 minutes with optional intelligent flight battery, plus advanced video transmission, long range, low latency video feed via OcuSync 4/04 up to 20 km or 12.4 miles with 1080p/60 fps live view for stable control, true vertical and social media ready shooting, rotating gimbal supports vertical/portrait orientation, great for TikTok, Instagram Reels, Shorts, etc. Smart and creative flight modes, integrated intelligent flight features like active track 360 degrees, quick shots, hyperlapse, master shots, panorama, cruise control, smart photo, automatic RTH and APS, advanced pilot assistance system for ease of use and cinematic output. The DJI Mini 4 Pro brings pro-level drone capabilities into a compact, lightweight form factor, ideal for travelers, vloggers, content creators, and anyone who wants high-quality aerial footage without the hassle of bulky gear. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro packs powerful aerial imaging,